This is a very brief video just to show you how to quickly embed files on pages. So we're on the test question page here, part of the VLE support page, and with any sort of page it's very easy. If we hit edit page and we get the editing bar up the top here to add information. Now there are two ways of doing it. Either one could click file here and then very simply, if I select a piece of information such as here where I'm searching, I could quite easily within it add some information. So I'm just going to add a file which I've already added on here, or I could select the file from my computer, so I could choose any file I wished for. So if you notice on here, I've actually created a folder called Files for Demonstrating Uploading Files, and I'm going to click on one of them there, the Advanced Program Dossier. Now I could, notice I've got two of them, so I'm going to replace this one with the other one. I'm going to select that file and I'm going to add the file. Now if you notice there, that embeds that file within there. That's fine. The other and easier way to do it, I suspect, would be to click and have a file open, and all I need to do from here is to take a file and to drag and drop it into a place. Now, you will see that in some other VLE files, there are in fact just folders full of files. The reason to do it this way instead is that the student can on a single page actually view the file as well. Not only does it break up the page and make it look more visually interesting, but from here, when I click Done, the child can then open this document up. So sorry, I am just going down here. They can turn it onto full screen view, and they can look through, they can make the file bigger, and they can scroll through page by page here and read the information whilst remaining on the same page. And then if we just downsize it, or if we click this X, we go back to the page. But it means you have to do fewer clicks and you can view information from within a single page, which is better than the visually unexciting list of files which then need downloading or opening in new tabs. So this way of doing things, to embed files within pages, is an easier way. So if we click edit page there again, and we go back to our folder, we've got that folder open, we can size that folder as we want, and we can drag and drop different types of files. So we've got a Word file there, just a sample file that I've produced, a PDF there, and now underneath it we're just going to take a PowerPoint slide, and we're going to add that PowerPoint presentation in, and all of that information can be filed in one go. Now of course what one can do in there is if you click between them, you can just add some text, or you could add an audio comment on things there to explain what you want done with that information at that time. But it's really very easy to embed multiple different document types in a single page. So adding files to a VLE page and making those files searchable within the page makes for a more visually stimulating and more easily accessible page. And it really is very easy to do. We'll just click Done there, and that is complete. Thank you very much for listening. I hope that's been useful.